Okay, as told earlier, let me take you through the production server uses. Up till now I was showing it on my developed machine, so let's see how it is actually being used by canteen staff and the users. So that user or canteen staff don't need to remember the URL. The URL has been put in a folder and they can always access it when needed. They will just click on this URL, obtain the first page. The canteen guy will just log in with his respective credentials. We'll go to the screen. So all the things are same. The difference that it's being used live on the production server. Okay, we can come out. That's how the things are working on the production server. And with this we move to the last phase of the software, which will actually give a slight insight of how the software is actually organized in the IDE and how it has been deployed on the Apache server. So let's see the software in its bare form. Let me explain you about the structure of the software. The software using the context canteen. It has various folders. Since the software has been developed using Struts2 web framework, so I have considered MVC modeling technique. Basically MVC, as we are aware, it's a model view and controller approach which enables independence for all the section of a software cycle. View, which is mostly connected and available to the user. Controller is type of manager which decide what view to fetch out on what action. Then we have a model. Model is basically business application which works at the background under the guidance of the controller, interact with the database. So let me show you first how my codes have been organized. I am using two packages. One is called codes, other is persistent. Persistent is more so ever for a general purpose. I have made an interceptor which will actually decide whether it's a user perspective or it's a canteen guy perspective. It will also check for the authorization of the module for a user for every action. I'm using files Hibernate utility which gives me a connection to the database using Hibernate ORM. Then I'm using this parser which actually fetches information from the XML file, because I've been using the stagnant information from XML files. The information are of the following structure, like departments. I'm getting the information from the XML file, and divisions, then type of items. These are the product categories basically. Then the number of modules and their groupings and payment modes. All these information which has been put in the XML file actually are very least volatile information. They are not going to change so easily. Whenever they are going to be changed, they can be added in the XML file, so it's very easy. No need to touch the codes, or recompilation is required. Then I'm using scripts for my jQuery Ajax and the jQuery plugins. That folder contains my decoration part, the layout for my application, just like this. This is the formatting of my application. These are support files. And then I'm using a folder called JSP for all my views which interact with the user. And now let me show you how this application is running on the server. As I told you, this is working, this is deployed on Apache web server, so which is running on my production server. So that is my application which is working on the server. That's it for the live presentation of the Canteen software. I'm really thankful to all of you who had enough patience to go through the presentation. My name is Vijay Kumar and my number is 09811606-784. Please feel free to contact me for any of the clarification regarding the Canteen software. See you with my next project very soon in future. Bye.